Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can use various different promo codes on the PrimeXBT trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT application on your device, and once you are logged in using your credentials or your PIN code, you will be taken into the home page. Now if you wish to use any promo code to get your reward, then just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now from the profile page, scroll down until you see the promo code section underneath promotions. When you tap on this button, you will now be taken into the rewards center. Scroll down and then enter your promo code after choosing your account. Once you have chosen your account from the drop-down menu, you can now enter the promo code that you have. Within the promo code box, just type in the promo code that you wish to redeem, and then you can tap on the activate button. After checking your promo code, you will then be provided the reward that is associated with this particular code. And you can use as many promo codes as you want to redeem your rewards on the PrimeXBT platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on the PrimeXBT trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.